Here's a custom truck to take a look at. 1970 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box. As you can see, it has been chopped. Flat black or matte black paint. Riding on 20-inch wheels. Underneath the hood, 455 Oldsmobile powered. That is paired up with a turbo. 400 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Now the AC seems all the components are there. Compressor does turn. I've not had it blow real cold, FYI. Let's go ahead and take a look. Kind of got that murdered out look up front. Everything blacked out. Aftermarket headlight. More of a high intensity discharge style. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, the underside of this, bed interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. So it's a factory AC truck also. One that came with a 350 in it. So now, like I said, been customized. Frenched in power antenna. And you can see up and down the side of this, lets you get a good look at straightness of that truck. Does have a vinyl bench seat, and I'm going to show you the cup holder and a little bit about that interior here in a bit. Tilt column coming to the back bed. We do have a snap-on tonneau cover. There is a spray-in bed liner in there. These supports will come off, the bows to it, so you could unsnap that cover, take the bows out, and use the box. It would function. And you can see that in the still pictures also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear bumper been removed. Got roll pan look to it. Once again, still pictures. Check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, 507-386-1726. Go ahead and take a look at the driver's side of this vehicle. And of course, with the black, you may find a few imperfections here and there. But overall shows nice. A little bit of scuffs above the wheel well. Here, just slight. Again, nothing major that sticks out. Fun one to drive to any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins, your local shows. Now, according to the previous owner, the miles on the tranny and the truck is right around that 2,000, a little less than 2,000 mark. It's supposed to be the same as on the odometer, FYI. This is according to the previous owner. There is also a popper that is down below this door, since it does have the shaved handles. So there is a popper there. Or if you are like I am, you can have the window down, reach in, just pull it open after hitting the popper too, and or grab the handle and lift up on it when you're opening the door. Skull look on the floor mats, and they threw those in to protect the carpet. So those can stay or those can come out. Your choice. Again, tilt column, bench seat, chopped top, headliner, nice shape. Does have a dash cover on it, and there's some very, very fine, you'll see them in the still pictures, some real fine cracks on the dash. Nothing terrible, but real fine. And again, you can see that in the still pictures. Aftermarket gauge set within the dash itself. I did have the radio working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Sounds nice. See how easy it starts. So RPMs work on the tach. Kind of a cool, again, that kind of skull look. Give you a blinker right and left with the eyeballs. Voltmeter appears to work. Gas gauge does. Your oil pressure. And of course, water temp would come up with the temp of the engine. Stereo. It does work. Now what they've done is they incorporated in the old ashtray a cup holder. Just like that. Kind of cool. Now of course HVAC controls down below there. The rest of the dash. A little aftermarket rear view mirror. Skull theme again. again on the shifter. Vinyl seat appears to be in nice shape. You're not seeing any rips, tears, holes. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. Well, should slip out to the side, I guess. That side dump exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that 455. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to slip up, just pop this hood, and take a look at that engine bay. See how that looks.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, engine bay with some electric pusher fan up front. And again, according to the previous owner, what the odometer reads is what the engine has on it. Let's take one quick look at that. It's just shy of 2,000, I believe it was. Odometer 1757, so figure roughly 2,000, less than 2,000 on the engine. Tranny, see how smooth that runs. Also hear how smooth it runs. Like I say, it's lots of times what you don't hear. Any sort of lifters, any sort of ticking, exhaust leaks, anything like that. They are absent underneath this hood. Let's see, converted from R12, and again it appears all the components are there. I just have not had it blow real cold. Edelbrock carb on this one. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Nicely equipped. Should be a fun one to drive. 1970 C10 two-wheel drive, regular cab, long box with a chop, and that 455 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call in or email.